Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Pisces, what's up with you ngayong week na ito. For Pisces, you have sextile, opportunity. Oh, may collaboration with someone. May mag-open up na opportunity sa inyo. Can be sa career ninyo, no? You also have semi-sextile. Wow, allowing. Maaring meron mag-encourage sa inyo na subukan ang isang napakagandang opportunity na to. Can be sa career nyo, sa trabaho. Ayan. And then, Aries energy. Yes, this is about taking action, being more confident, being active, initiating something. So, I think, kumbaga, ikaw na lang yung hinihintay na mag-decide. Nasa harapan mo na yung kailangan mong gawin. Kumbaga, ikaw na lang yung hinihintay. But I think you are going to be very parang assertive. Oo. Na okay, this is the opportunity. Yes, let's go. Let's do this. Let's see. You have the Three of Pentacles. Yes, this is collaboration. Working with some people. Parang nakikita nila na meron kang talents, may skills ka or abilities ka, and then they will offer you this opportunity na, okay, can you work with us? Ganon. Open ka ba sa project na to? Ganyan. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are going to grab this opportunity. Wow! This is going to be successful kasi may celebration for you. And this is also going to bring you joy, happiness, no? So, some of you naman, maaring opportunity to for love. Ayan, kasi meron din ditong Four of Wands. It's like a new beginning when it comes to romantic connection. I think some of you are going to enter a very serious relationship. Or, nagpaplano na kayong magpakasal. Success, Six of Wands, Pisces, and the Seven of Pentacles. Yung mga in-effortan nyo, trinabaho nyo in the past, ito na yung time na mararamdaman nyo na yung resulta niya. So, some of you are just waiting for the harvest time. You are also, gaining popularity. So, pwedeng mas marami na nakakapansin sa'yo ngayon, sa trabaho mo, sa whatever you are doing right now. Some of you ay nasa social media, or maraming nakakakita sa inyo, no? Ibig sabihin yan, you are working in public. Oo. Parang pwedeng public figure kayo, or you have a platform na kung saan na ipapakita mo yung skills, abilities mo, yung gifts mo, yung talents mo sa iba, and people are celebrating that. People are admiring you for what you are doing. You will be playing a different role. So, maaring ito yung opportunity for you. Some of you are into acting, or pwede rin naman tong bagong job opportunity na may ipi-play ka na bagong role sa career mo, sa business mo, sa trabaho mo. Fear, worries, tense situation. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong maaring merong mga bagay na kukunin na sa inyo because it is no longer serving your highest good, your highest purpose. And some of you, parang you might take this negatively, no? Kumbaga isang paraan para may magbago sa buhay ninyo. Kaya yung iba sa inyo medyo nag-aalala. Dahil itong isang bagay na to ay mawawala sa inyo, pero papalitan naman to ng bagong opportunity. Di ba sabi nga nila, pag may nagpinto, pag meron daw nagsarang pinto, may bintanang magbubukas para sa'yo. Oo. So, meron din ditong, nako, medyo mag-ingat ka sa mga makakasalamuha mo. Someone is working against you behind your back. So, be careful sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mong tao. Lalo na ngayon na you are experiencing success, you are becoming more famous, nagiging popular ka na. So, meron at meron dyang mga maiinggit, no? And maaring they are going to, send you negative vibes. So, just make sure that protect your energies. Yes, it's also time to act. So, I think, kung meron kayong mga pinagpapalibang gawin ng mga nakaraang buwan, nakaraang linggo, ngayong week na to, finally, no, maglalakas loob na kayong gawin yan because of the new opportunity na nag-open up for you. So, ang importante is you are open to changes and, handa ka rin sa mga bagong magsisimula sa buhay mo. So, let's see, for yung iba sa inyo sa career to, 10th house, you have Saturn in Capricorn in the 10th house. Grabe ang lakas ng energy na to. Saturn is about discipline, structure, and karma. Capricorn is someone's very hardworking. So, I think, pagdating sa career nyo, sa business, ano man yung pinagtrabahuhan ninyo, yun yung makukuha nyo. Alam mo yun, if you are working hard, then definitely rewarding yung ginagawa nyo. But, syempre, kung medyo hindi kayo ganun nag-e-effort sa trabaho, sa career nyo, then, syempre, hindi rin nyo makukuha yung talagang maximum or maximize nyo yung gains ninyo, no? So, just make sure that if you're doing something, you have to give your best para yun din yung makuha mo in return. Best din yung makukuha mo in return. Okay? Some of you talaga, yung iba, meron kayong leadership role sa career, sa business. Let's see. You have the 10 of Wands, a lot of opportunities and a lot of responsibilities. Diba? Sabi nga, great power comes great responsibilities. You also have the Knight of Cups, which is your manifestations, and the Two of Pentacles. So, you're going to be very busy, Pisces. Just make sure lang na may oras ka para sa sarili mo to ground yourself, release those negative energies, kasi eventually people will, some people might be envious, or jealous of your success. So, may mga taong will try to challenge you with what you do. So, dapat i-release mo yung negative energies na yan na pinapadala sa'yo. And focus on your balance, balance in your time mo. I-balance mo yung time mo para sa career, trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa family mo, para mapagsabay-sabay mo, kayang-kaya mo naman yan, okay? Ano man tong mga responsibilities mo, you can definitely do it, or kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle, okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.